Hey everyone, so today unboxing the New Balance 2002 R in the Year of the Ox colorway. And so this is supposed to be celebrating Lunar New Year. And I think it's just a limited edition colorway from New Balance. I don't think it's a collaboration with anyone, but if I'm wrong about that, let me know in the comments. Yeah, and so kind of like obviously a dark, more subtle colorway. This army green, the way it sort of pairs with this really dark black and dark navy here, I just love. And there's something about the 2002 R silhouette in general that just looks so cool to me. Like the contrast color and this like heel shape coming up here, and complex lines in the sole. It's kind of a little, to me, there's a little bit of like the contemporary kind of trendy chunky sole feel to it. So inside you have this ox illustration for the Year of the Ox. It's really the only thing indicating that it's for Year of the Ox. Yeah, and I mean, my first impression is just a super cool shoe, and I think that it'd be easy to style, pretty versatile. I think, in general, I love this kind of like army green. So I think maybe when I try them on foot later, I'll try them with the pair of like green ACG cargos that I have. Be curious how they pair with that. And quality seems great as usual. New Balance suede here is like very soft and fuzzy. Reflective detailing, give it a little bit of pop. But in terms of styling, it definitely reads, more like a black shoe than anything else. So I think anything you'd style like a dark black shoe with, you could probably easily style with this. All right, so now let's see them on foot. First off, I'm wearing them with some Nike ACG cargos. I thought the green might pair nicely with that green on the heel. Overall, I think I like how these look with these pants. Now I'm wearing them with some Sandro dad jeans, essentially. Not 100% sure if this works. Let me know what you think in the comments, I suppose. And then finally wearing them with some very cropped Chimala jeans. If you're not familiar with Chimala, it's a brand by a Japanese designer. Amazing distressed denim. Highly recommend checking it out. These are probably a little too cropped for low top running shoes like this. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think. I hope this was helpful if you're considering picking up a pair of these. And yeah, let me know if you have any feedback, anything I can improve in the comments, and subscribe if you'd like. I'll be posting more unboxings and videos like this, reviews of products I love.